Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the payment method unavailable issue on Binance and what to do if your payment options aren't showing up. So first things first, you want to check your account verification. If your Binance account is not fully verified, you won't have access to most payment methods. So you want to make sure your identity verification is completed. This alone fixes the issue for many users. Now, if your account is already verified and you're still seeing the problem, here's what to do next. Open the Binance app and tap on the headphone or support icon at the top right corner of the screen. This one right over here. Now this takes you into the help center. All you have to do once you're there, scroll all the way down and choose get support at the bottom. From here, you want to type in payment method. Let's do that. And from the results, select the option that says something like, I can't find my payment method in the list. So let's do that, like this one. When you open that article, Binance will walk you through the possible reasons this happens and the steps to fix it. And this can include regional restrictions, temporary payment outages, unsupported banks, or account limitations. Just read through the guide carefully and follow the instructions provided. And if the issue still isn't resolved after that, you can continue from the same support section to contact Binance support directly for personalized help. That's it. Now you know how to fix the payment method unavailable issue on Binance. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.